So, it's time for our science experiment, because what is a better way to learn by showing it to you? So, if you want to join the experiment, please, that would be nice. If not, you can just watch the video and learn from the video. So, what do we need for this science experiment? Not so much, it's pretty simple. What we need is a bottle, and you need also the top of the bottle, so like an empty water bottle, or I don't know, just a bottle. It doesn't matter, it can be small, big, whatever you have at home. So you need to fill up the water bottle with water. So you put water inside of the bottle and you close it pretty tight with the top. Make sure that it's closed well. The other thing that you need is a bowl, like this one for example, so that you can place the bottle in the bowl later. You will need some, it's going to fall, some ice cubes, and you will need a marker. So ask your parents if you can use a permanent marker. Maybe it's a good idea to ask an adult for help. Okay, so what are we going to do? We are going to do the experiment about the life cycle of the water. So let's pretend that this water here is the ocean. What are we going to do? We are going to turn the bottle upside down, and we are going to draw the different parts of the water cycle on the bottle. So I'm going to draw some clouds, because clouds are part of our water cycle. Also, if you have some food coloring, you can put some drops in the water. The best idea is blue, because the color of the water is blue, but if you have another color, that's good as well, because in that way you can see the drops better. I don't have that, so we just need to do it with water. Well, you can see it as well. So we're going to draw, I don't know, clouds, some drops here. I'm going to draw here the sun, because why would I draw the sun? Because the sun is important for the water cycle, yeah? Because the sun heats up the water in the ocean. And what happens then? What happens when the sun heats up the water of the ocean? What happens? The water gets warm and it evaporates. So the water goes up, right? That's what happens in the water cycle. So probably it's going to happen to this experiment as well. Would be nice. What else can we draw? I'm going to draw a mountain. It's difficult to draw on a bottle, yeah? Okay, a mountain. I'm going to draw some rivers, because also the rivers are an important part of our water cycle. And I'm going to draw the ground, because also the water goes into the ground. I think you cannot really see it so well, but well, I did draw some things here. If you have, for example, paint or something like that, you can paint your bottle to make it pretty. Well, it's up to you. You can design it whatever you wish. Then you place the bottle upside down, so close it very well, upside down, you place it in your bowl and you put it down. Then we still have ice. What do we do with the ice? We place the ice on top of the bottle, and now we are going to place this bottle into the sun. So I'm going to put my bottle on my balcony to see what happens. Now it's up to you. What do you think? What do you predict? What is going to happen? What is going to happen to this water? If we think about the fact that this is an ocean. So the water in this bottle is like the ocean. What will happen to the water? It will get warm because of the Sun. The sun will heat up the water in my bottle. What will happen with the water? It will evaporate. Okay. Do you think that's going to happen to this water as well? You want to find out? I do. So I'm going to place the bottle in the sun. I'm going to leave it over there for an hour or probably 2 hours. And then I will come back to see what happens to the water, okay? So if you want to do it with me, that would be super nice so that you can learn by doing. So I will be back after 1 hour and we will see what happens to the water in my bottle.